Qantas has a new CEO, and she is pushing AI very hard as her first agenda for the transformation. Not only that, but also Stephanie Tully, the new CEO, is very enthusiastic about multiple waves of introducing different AI and generative AI tooling. Qantas Group has definitely put artificial intelligence at the fore and center of ongoing transformation efforts, with the hope it can lead to several waves of operational optimization. Their domestic and international CEO, Andrew David, highlighted the transformation program recently, in which he said, and I quote, aims to redesign, and enhance the way they deliver their services across the entire business. So, digitizing their operations and enhancing their planning system with AI, they hope to get rapid integration of plans, minimization of inefficiencies, and also enhanced and faster operational decision making. They also intend to bring a lot of generative AI toolings and data-oriented practices, including machine learning models, to bear over multiple time horizons to enable sophisticated optimization of their workforce and asset deployment. They also want to have large language models for rapid learning from actual performance to refine planning models and drive further continuous improvement. Stephanie Tully has also said that their low cost carrier Jetstar is pursuing transformation across all cost and revenue lines of business, from overall planning, from network design through to operations, where they see numerous value buckets to be achieved through uplifting capabilities, processes, and tools, including through digitization and AI enabled better predictive capabilities. So I think that Qantas is on the cusp of a dramatic shift in its technology strategy, which they are pursuing post pandemic. That is very exciting news. And as you see that in the previous video, I mentioned ANZ, which is really doing wonderful work in terms of generative AI. And now it is Qantas done. If you have any insight into it, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.